little stars, are you ready to game?
Sing with me.
Let's learn and play! A is for alligator.
Snap, snap, snap.
A,
Clap, clap, clap.
P is for gook. Open-eyed.
P, P, P. Lead inside.
C is the chair. Sit down slow.
C, C, C.
Here we go! T is for doctor. Help and tear.
D, D, D. Everywhere.
E is for eagle. Sort of high.
E, E, E.
Touch the sky. F is the frog. Hop, hop, hop.
F, F, F. Never stop.
T is for geese. Honk, honk, hooray.
G, G, G.
Jump and say. H is for helmet. Safe and tight.
H, H, H.
Ready, ride.
Sing the letters, feel the beat. Stop your feet, move your feet. Say it twice, say it free. Letters sound like melody.
I is for ice cream. Lick, lick, yum.
I.
Here it comes. J is for jelly. Wiggle, shake.
J, J, J.
Silly make. K is for kayak. Thrill the stream.
J, J, J.
Paddle dream. L is for Lego. Stack it tall.
L, L, L. Build a wall.
M is for mushroom. Round his wall.
M, M, M.
One and all. N is for nut. Crack the shell.
N, N, N. Listen well.
O is for oil. Slick and slow. Let it flow. P is for popcorn. Pop, pop, pop.
P, P, P.
Never stop.
Hear the rhythm, hear the rhyme. Letters marching one by time. Sing it song, sing it ring. Every letter sound we say.
Q is for queen. Crown so bright.
Q, Q, Q.
Royal light. R is for robot. B and O.
R, R, R.
Watch it roll. S is for smile. Big and wide.
S, S, S.
Joy inside. T is for train. Choo-choo sound.
T, T, T.
All around. U is for unicorn.